So far, I know there was a program by Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura that some people joined BJP party on 18th of this month. Yes. And then right after the program, in different places, the miscreants, I don't want to mention they belong to which party, and sometimes it is good not to mention about the party. In different places, the miscreants they started attacking our Motha supporters, and four of them have been injured. They were admitted in Kharangbar hospital. Yesterday, all of them have been given release from the hospital. I, along with our entire team, few MLAs and former minister, Mr. Mehbar Kumar Jamatia, the local MDC and youth leaders and Mahila leaders are also here. All of us, when we went and visited all four injured people, and two of our party offices have been totally ransacked and gutted into fire. You must have had seen. I'm standing right now in front of our party office only. They tried to burn this party office also. So we want to tell actually Tipra Motha believes in peace and prosperity in this state. We have been telling them. Now always the allegation comes onto us. And then I want to question actually people bringing the allegation against us. Will they answer that why who has done this to Tipra Motha's party office? Who are those people who attacked our party supporters all of the sudden when they were returning to their residence after maybe they have come back from the market or from the field? So this was the incident. Now point is we have heard that some miscreants were also carrying uh, small arms, and then few places they have bombarded also. Now I want to appeal to the Home Minister of the state. I'm also a minister. Now you can question, you are also minister, why you are appealing. Because now I have come as a party man and then standing in front of our party office. I want to appeal, I want to request the Home Minister of the state. Police has to be very strong and they should be taking appropriate step to seize all these illegal small arms and the handmade bombs, grenade. I think you all must be seeing that even in the heart of the city also sometimes the bombardment takes place. Actually. Bombing happens sometimes. So why this is happening? So if we want to keep peace and prosperity in this state, I think police has to take very strong action.
Sir, this does not speak well about the government. When opposition also raised, the chief minister, we have just interviewed him an hour back before I called you. He had categorically said this will not be spared, but
No, see, my point is, Pinaki, I just want to tell that no one should be spared does not mean that it should happen with only one party. When we have given handed over the list of miscreants, they have been identified by the local people. Why police is not arresting them? Why police is not arresting? I'm questioning. Not as a minister, as a party man. Now I'm questioning why Tipra Motha people only will be blamed for this. Even when the incident took place in my own constituency, I kept quiet. Why those miscreants from other party other than Tipra Motha, they have not been arrested? Why police are guarding them? When time comes, we'll bring everything out. I'm telling you. We are into alliance. We respect the alliance. Maharaja also believes in alliance. Maharaja also believes in peace and prosperity in this state. But blame should not come on to us. These handful people, 10, 12 people, all of the sudden they'll come and attack our party officers like this. How long we'll tolerate? I think time has come. Even as a party, we'll discuss, we'll talk to Maharaja. Actually, we have to take a stand. We cannot keep quiet just like this. So I have seen by myself today two of our party officers, four of our injured people. A person's shop was bombarded, I think 2 days back, and then we visited him also, his shop also. So I think now the law and order is in the hand of Home Minister, that is our Chief Minister. he should be taking appropriate steps.